Door leading to our basement, and Flash is now so angry that ay 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 ay, you're angry. Come on, let's go now, let's go. You will eat now, Flash. Come. Oh, I just ignored her, and then I heard her roaring so hard. Come on, Grandma will feed you. Mhm. You will see that she will really go to that side there. Yes. Let's go. Oh, you're hungry? Let's go. Of course. Yes, of course. I will feed you. Where is that door? Oh, tell me now. Tell me. What do you want? Let me open the door. I should open the door because your food is there. Come on now. Here. Where are you going? I want to hear that roar. I want you to raise your paw. Come on. Where are you going? Here. This way. This way. Come on. Oh, what are you telling me? To open the door so I can get your food? I want to see you. Open. Open the door. Huh? So cute. She's so hungry now. Do you want me to open the door? Huh? Open it. Yeah. Oh, she's climbing. Okay. If she can only open this door, she will. Oh my god. One more time. Open. One more time. You want me to open the door? Oh, so she's so hungry now. She knows that her food is kept there. So, am I going to open the door now? Huh? Come on. Come on here. She's kind of angry now. She's trying to reach the door now. Super cute. Come here. I want to see you doing that again. Oh, look. Come. I will feed you. Don't worry. Yeah. I want to see how do you do it when how are you when you're angry and hungry? Come on here. Let me open the door. Open it. Oh, open it. Let's go. Open the door. Oh my God, she's climbing. Come on. Open the door. Let me see it one more time. Open it. Open it. Oh, she's angry and hungry. Open the door. Flash, shall I do it? Shall I open the door? Oh my God, she really climbs. So she can open the door now. Come on. I will open it. Okay, here you go. Oh, she's leading me to her food. Here you go. The food is here. This is the food of Flash. We're keeping it here inside, so she would not be able to reach for this. She might finish the whole. She's hungry and angry at Grandma. Wait. Turn on the light. Doom. Oops. Here's the food of Flash. Oh. Wait. I have to distribute it so she will not eat them at one time. Come on. I'm super hungry. Flash. You are still obese, right? You have to lose weight, and so you're better not say that you're obese. She's super hungry. Very hungry and angry. Oh, she's only fed twice a day. That's why she's so hungry. Just eat slowly, honey. Slowly, slow down, slow down. Slow down. Check your litter box. Let's check it. Oops, there is something here we need to clean up. Look at her. Super, super hungry. Say thank you to Grandma. Rush. Mm. Slow down. Slow down, honey. Slow down.